Hello, YouTube.
Hello world. It's day 2 of the workout module stuff. How are you doing, Jason? What is this, a podcast?
I guess podcast slash code. Let's recap of what we did yesterday. Maybe should we go to like the commit?
Oh yeah, source tree. Let's see, in history. So this is the last
Yeah.
commit we did last night. Oh right. Let's see. We did it a little bit. We did off stream.
Okay.
So adding the workout module.
So this is a new module.
New
We're trying to
files.
make.
Yeah.
It's a workout module
Workout.
where we can record our workout.
Yep. See the history.
See the history.
And now we can see the details of a past workout.
Yeah. And so that briefly, I mean, there's more that we're gonna build, but so far that's all we have.
Yep.
And well, it's not really in the perfect state, but it's still work in progress.
Speak for yourself. It's perfect in my eyes.
Well, yes, it's functional. There's definitely a lot of like refactoring work that we can do. Obviously, we're not gonna refactor ourselves. we're gonna use ChatGPT to refactor.
I don't know if I trust ChatGPT for that.
We'll basically we'll basically instruct the ChatGPT to refactor in a way that we want.
We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's the workout. We got 2 routes in there. Doesn't really matter. The first one is the history screen. Yeah, you go there. You see originally you'll see no workouts yet, and you can tap a button to start new workout.
Yeah.
That'll present a workout sheet. And then I don't feel like we don't need to go through this again.
Okay. Sure.
Oh shoot! But I do want to add back the admin thing. What did we do?
Yeah.
What did we do after? Oh, afterwards, in the stream yesterday, also we couldn't figure out why the generic set wasn't being recognized. It's because we added a new model, a new set class.
Workout set.
We changed it to workout set, so that we did off screen before committing.
Yeah. Basically, the compiler got confused of like, hey, this set wasn't hashable. Was it something like that?
No, it's like it's saying, hey, sets aren't generic. It's not generic.
On generic.
Which
right.
I mean,
which is kind of weird, right? It was like set, like Swift set.
No. Well, once we added a set, then it started pointing to our set.
Yeah.
So you have to say Swift.set if
right.
like because that's
Yeah, there was a naming clash.
Yep, pretty much. It's funny how that happened.
Yeah.
Didn't think about that. Okay. I want to update the login module. I think we should close the door.
All right. Yeah, I can close the door.
Thank you. I'm just gonna fix this by updating the. Wait, I thought it was the login module. Oh, here it is. Admin. Thank you. Dude, it sounds so much better. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Login. So I think right. The other thing I did was to do is now the first one. I don't know where the add to do. There was an add to do button somewhere. I don't know why. It doesn't work. Anyways, now workout's the second one, so you can see workout history. Start new workout. This is still a bug. Maybe we should fix that.
Right.
Oh, and
for some reason we have to like close it and open again. Then it will show like the whole.
Yeah.
Yesterday we had this issue, and then the issue with the workout history navigation that wasn't showing up. The fix was wrap everything on the navigation stack.
I think so. I don't think it's like the actual problem fix. Like, I was reading into navigation stacks a little bit and saying like, oh yeah, navigation stacks are the new navigation view. So I don't think we're supposed to have a navigation view in a stack, but for some reason that's the only thing that works.
Yeah.
I think we got to dig deeper if we want to actually understand it.
Now I'm curious if like the workout view, was it called the workout view? Is that also wrapping around navigation view?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Can we check that out real quick?
Okay, so yeah, we'll try to fix that bug because that's kind of annoying.
Yeah. This is recording workout screen, right?
So it's in the recording workout screen, but also the history screen is presenting it because when you tap on start new workout, we set is presenting workout sheet to true, which is controlled by this sheet, which has the record workout screen in the sheet. How do
Okay.
Where'd it go? What happened? How do I? How can I tell which? Here, I'll just do this. VStack. So the sheet is on the VStack.
Should it be outside?
I don't know. Why don't we just ask ChatGPT?
Yeah.
Why are we thinking about this?
Yeah. And we still have the chat history from yesterday on ChatGPT, so it knows everything what we talked about yesterday.
Yeah.
That's what's so great about it. But then again, remember they one of the the screen, it was not generating the whole code. And when you asked them yesterday, when we asked them to like give me the whole updated file.
Yep. It's weird.
Yeah, that was so weird.
Okay, so the issue likely occurs because the state variables in there are not properly initialized, or the data binding isn't triggering correctly the first time the sheet is presented. Ensure proper ensure the workout object is correctly passed. If the workout is nil or uninitialized, the screen may appear blank. Check the code where record workout screen is presented. Why is it telling me to check out the code? It should check out the code for me. Current workout.
Yeah, that's correct.
Make sure. Oh, look, make sure it's properly initialized.
Wait,
Give me the code for history.
Yeah.
Screen that as the fix. I don't even want to read what it said. Because like it's saying ensure that, but like I just copied the code from it, so it should be ensuring.
Yeah.
I think refactoring. Wait, what? Okay, whatever. Just copy and see. I think refactoring would be nice, then it doesn't have to generate all of this every single time. Nope.
Still.
The problem still exists. To resolve the blank. I don't know if this is actually the issue. To resolve the blank screen issue on the first presentation, we can ensure that all required data and state are fully initialized and ready before the sheet is shown. I mean, what other state? Current workout? It's definitely being initialized.
Hold on. Can we initialize this workout when the view loaded?
Before the record workout screen? Because it is initializing it before presenting, which... Oh. Wait. I think you're right. I've seen this weird behavior in Swift UI where you see... So this sheet... the logic inside the sheet actually runs before the sheet is presented. I've seen that behavior before. So what I think happened is happening is
it checks it and nothing happens.
Yeah. So nothing's happening in this sheet. So when you close it, when you open it and close it, it actually refreshes the workout screen, which means the history screen, which means this is then set, which then this actually runs.
Yeah, I think
good thinking, Jason.
There's a function you can call, so like on did.
Wait.
The view, one of the view life cycle. On view did load or something. View did appear.
No. Well, yes, I have an alternative idea.
Okay.
Why is the workout being created here? Why don't we just do it in there? Like, why do we have to pass it in? Right?
Maybe? Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Then again, I don't know, because if let's say if you put record workout screen right in there, let's say the workout is initialized when this is initialized. That might not be what we want, because that means that the workout started as soon as the history screen presented is shown. That's not when we started the workout. We started the workout when we tap on the button. However, I think this code, this initializer runs before that. It's like a weird thing about SwiftUI, I think.
Wait, hold on. This start a new workout. Wait, explain to me why this can be in the
record workout screen?
Yeah.
So wait, why it can or
it cannot? Why cannot?
Oh, right. Okay, so the reason is because if you initialize workout inside of here.
Well, not inside, but like one line above that.
And remove this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna be the similar issue. We can initialize it before we initialize this.
Mm-hmm.
However, the problem is that as soon as the history screen displays, as soon as it renders the body, it evaluates the logic within the sheet.
Oh.
Like not when the sheet is presented, just when the view is created.
Okay.
And that's when the workout will start, even though we're not really starting the workout.
Oh, okay. Are you sure? How positive are you with that?
I feel very confident about that. I was working with my coworker. He like we were fighting, trying to figure out the problem and what was going on. And like this was a weird. We're like, oh my god, we were fighting this so long, and just to understand this behavior with the sheets. And
so how do we do this?
I want to talk with ChatGPT a little bit more, but I want to tell it that a little bit. So we present that using a sheet instead of navigating.
Can we put a print statement just to?
Oh yeah. So check it out. Print. Blah. Oh wait, let's do this.
Sheet presented.
Sheet. Inside sheet. That's good, right? I mean, it doesn't really matter, but.
Wait, what's going on?
Build expression is unavailable because that doesn't conform to. You can't really put things that don't really resolve to views, like print.
What?
Print.
Or you know what? We can just put a breakpoint.
That's true. Let's do that. Bloop.
Well, you need to put another breakpoint. Oh, never mind. It's fine.
Shoot. Let's get rid of that. All right. So not yet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. What?
It's not working out.
That's not what I was expecting.
Yeah.
Okay. Publishing changes from background thread. Maybe that could be an issue. Okay. Okay. So next, it skips over it.
Oh, why? Wait, did you delete initializer?
Oh no, it moved. It moved.
Oh.
It moved it.
Okay.
But this one.
Can you put a breakpoint here?
I mean, that will. Let's run it again.
Yeah, make sure that button triggers first. Okay.
Yep. So it triggers. So I mean, the current workout.
Okay. Well, I mean, you gotta jump to the next line, see if it works.
Yep. Let's double check.
Okay.
So it's there.
Now, when it stops at 48, then can we print out the current workout? What?
It's a strut.
Mm-hmm. Why is current workout nil? That's interesting.
That's well. Why is current workout nil? Is it a value type? No, because
Well, it
later
doesn't
on.
matter if it's value or reference type, right? Because
Well, like, what did it just update? And what is this checking?
there's only one current workout variable.
That's
right?
what you would think, but this one's nil.
Yeah.
So what is this checking? So anyways, it skips it. Okay, let's just talk to ChatGPT.
Wait. Can we just do one more test?
Yeah.
But if we initialize it right above it, just to make sure this is the issue, that's why it's skipping it. Oh, well, obviously it's skipping it. That's why. But did it still present? Even when there's no view in there, why did it present stuff?
Yeah, it presented a sheet with nothing.
Oh.
Because there's this if statement.
Okay.
I can do this as well. Else text. Nothing here. I mean, obviously, that's yeah. I mean, obviously, yeah, we're gonna see that text.
What?
So you do that.
Wait. But we just concluded that the sheets will not get called when the view loads, right? It only gets called when you change the flag, which is that. So it's okay to put it in there.
Maybe, yeah. So maybe we should do that.
Current workout.
Let me double check one thing.
So it's not.
If let? No. Wait.
Just to let current workout.
Yeah, but we also want to assign it. Oh, well, we can.
Do we need it?
Here, how about this?
Oh, okay. What?
This expression doesn't conform to view. Wait. Oh, because it was a function?
That does not make any sense.
Wait, but this part?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, you can't. So that's why we can't put it.
So can we just write a function? This is so stupid, but can we write a function?
No, it has to evaluate. Oh.
Well, yeah, but a function returns a view.
Like a view builder expression.
Yeah.
We can try.
Like let's do like a we call a workout screen or a variable. Well, you don't really need it. Oh,
Like this, maybe.
okay.
Do you want to
that
say
works.
view?
I don't. Well, you need to return the view. I think you need to do like a. Well, you gotta return
In
the
view?
core screen. Well, can you just do it like the body? Like body some view, or do some view?
Or any view, right?
I think it should be some view. I mean, I don't think it should be a function, but I guess it's fine. Wait, what happened?
It doesn't like the explicit return because it's a view builder.
Oh,
Oh, but
wait.
I mean,
can you get rid of the view builder? Because we need the
you know, okay. So,
return.
but then what? You want to use this in here?
Are you sure it's any view, not some view?
Well, that's for view builders. I mean, view builder. I think it said needed any view.
Oh. Oh, it works. Oh, it crashed. How?
What?
How?
Wait a second.
How?
Wait a second. That's funny. Huh?
Yeah, how is that false?
Okay, well, this is recorded already, so. Wow. It didn't lose the. What? What is this? Is it because of main actor? Is it because of state? Is it because non-mutating set?
Non-mutating set.
I've never seen non-mutating before, but.
Yeah.
See, like, so what I'm saying, like, current workout, it's so dumb to have that. We don't need that at all.
Yeah. That's the.
And then. Oh, I need to change that behavior. And then. Okay, whatever. I don't care anymore.
Hope this doesn't crash. Okay, now I fixed it.
Good job, Jason.
That's so strange. Why would it be new? We literally assigned it the one line before that.
It's non-mutating. It's a non-mutating set. What is? Hold up. Non-set Swift.
Oh, this doesn't really explain what it is.
It doesn't change because the compiler is saying, oh, you need to change something. Oh, the compiler wants you to change something, but here it's saying, oh, we're actually not changing anything, so it marks it as non. So you can set something to it, but it doesn't actually. It's doing a behavior that's not what you're expecting. I think.
Okay.
Looks wrong. Yes. It's not unreasonable for structures to have reference-like behaviors. Pointers are one obvious case.
This is 2018.
Yeah, apparently it's an old thing.
Okay.
Joe follows me on Twitter.
Joe?
Yeah.
Who's this guy?
He's very active in the Swift community.
Oh.
I opened up a Swift evolution thing, and then like we were talking, like I guess we talked through that for a while, and that's probably the only interaction we had.
Oh, he works at Apple?
I guess, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, Swift compiler engineer.
Yeah, that makes sense why he's very active. Okay, so anyways, good job, Jason. We solved it. I'm fine with that solution.
Yeah.
Let's just continue. We'll refactor later. Okay, what were we doing again?
Well, first we gotta tell ChatGPT how we fix it. It's like,
I'm just gonna give it.
the updated version.
Actually, we fixed it. Here's the updated version. Thanks for nothing. Oh shoot, why is it on? User or method to initialize before presenting. Ensuring the UI is ready. Here's a quick summary.
Okay.
Dedicated method, yep. Avoids any state mismatches. Yep. The start only toggles that, relying on the sheet's content grid to handle the workout, yep. Cleaning. I don't think I changed this. That's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Now I know it's about it. What next?
All right. Now, so we did mention we want to work on Swift data,
Yes.
data persistent layer, or we can do work on refactoring. Like
Swift data.
Swift data. Okay.
All right.
But can we ask in a way where like we'll have a data persistent layer and then Swift data. So the Swift data, so this data persistent layer talks to Swift data, and then when it gets back to the data, the persistent layer talks to the view and updates it. Let's not have the view talk to the Swift data directly. What do you think?
I'm not too familiar with Swift data, so we'll see.
Me neither. Yeah.
My concern is, from what I've seen, it seems very tightly coupled.
Oh.
Well, okay. How about this? Let's just tell it, hey, do Swift data and show me what you got, and then we'll ask it to tweak.
Okay. Yeah. That sounds good.
I want to save the work when we finish working out. I want to save the. But actually, that makes sense, because when you finish workout, that's the only time we want to actually persist.
Yeah.
I guess we might want to pull as well. Query, right?
But sometimes you also want to persist the data in progress, just if your app crashed, or if you terminate your app by accident, you can still get that data back.
That's a great idea. Yeah. Smart. I like it. I want to save the workouts. Should I tell it like those 3 situations?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to save the workouts and using Swift. Data. Should I just be very vague?
Yeah. So data. Okay.
I'll just be vague. See what it does. Easier. Here's how you can modify your workout structure in history screen to support saving workouts. So ensure your Swift data framework by importing and adding. Ensure your app uses the framework by importing it and adding model container to your app. Convert workout and related models. So we need to modify. First of all, we need to modify our app. I'm not sure if this concerns me a bit. I don't know if Swift data in the modules is compatible with a modular architecture, or like how to do this using a modular style. Because like maybe it's not importing it or adding model container to the app. Maybe it's adding model container to the module. That's what we want.
Yeah. So like I don't know how Swift data works. Like that's why I hope like if we have like a persistent layer, so we'll have the persistent layer take care of like where the data to save to. It doesn't matter if it be Swift data, memory, online.
Yeah.
Data.
I mean, that's definitely ideal.
Yeah.
I think that's ideal. Again, I'm just concerned. I don't think that. I don't know. I don't think, from what I've seen, I don't think that's how Swift data works.
Okay.
So what I'm saying is like, let's just learn and see how they recommend, and see if we can get towards that, because like this is what I've seen, adding the model container to like basically the. Actually, it's to the view. So maybe this can be in the. Let's just talk with ChatGPT. Like, so let's see its suggestions and talk with it and say like, hey, can we change the model container, not from the app, but in the module, because the app should not have these references.
Yeah.
And then you saw these changes are pretty trivial, right? Just adding at model attributes. That's simple.
Damn, is that easy? I remember core data. It was like you have to set up
generate a bunch of stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just this now.
Okay.
And this one, so that one, yeah, no issues there. Issue here. And then here's the updated version. You add a query. You say at query. So this is why I'm saying I have concerns. It's in the view.
Well, because we don't have a view model or interactor. If it's in the interactor, then this has nothing to, like, you can separate query out of the view. The interactor will basically does all the business logic of querying.
Okay, I think that kind of makes sense in the sense. So we're saying like some other object would have this property.
Yeah, the screen shouldn't care where the data is coming from. The interactor should be the person, like, be the object saying, oh, I'm gonna get it from either Swift data or a network request.
Yeah, I like that ideal. And then that means here that might mean we need a different view model.
Yeah.
Or something.
Yeah, I really think we should do some refactoring in terms of like where the logic should be, certain logic should be.
Definitely.
Otherwise, this is gonna blow out of proportion.
I think so. Let's talk to you about the model container first.
Okay.
Or should I just update this first?
Yeah, we can do that.
Wait, what? Oh, wait, foundation. Okay. Import Swift data. That's fine. Okay, for 2, can we put the model somewhere inside our module? The main app won't know about those types. Inside your module, so the main app doesn't need to directly interact with persistent or know about the types. Like, here's how you can structure it. We need a Swift data manager. That's kind of like what you're thinking, right?
Yeah.
To encapsulate the model container, expose that as an environment modifier at the module level to provide Swift data's context to your views. Update workout module to inject the model container. Ensure all the views in the model inherit the model container. So what does that mean? So like this is like the persistence layer, I suppose. It's the model container for workouts. So we have that. I guess it's a singleton, and then that's weird, but okay. And then you just create a model container. Yeah, and that model container will always be there for your module. And then here, you say anytime the screens render, we pass the shared model container into the views, because the views currently, well, we can ask the changes. Currently, the views get the model context from the environment.
Wait, from the environment, not from the initializer? Wait, sorry, can you go back up a little bit? Oh, okay, wait. So what is that? What does that mean? Model container dot.
It it pushes the model this model container, the Swift data model container. So Swift data uses a model container.
Oh, I see what you mean by like strictly tied to the view.
Yeah.
Like, why is that? What if I have multiple views?
Then you do it each time. So it's either going to be inside of there, like this is the parent view.
What if you have like multiple parent view? Let's say like a
Oh, then you do it each time.
View, right?
No, this is multiple parent views, right? So this is a parent view, this is a parent view. You have to specify it every single time.
Oh.
It seems.
What the?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. I mean, I think I'm okay with that. It's not great.
So hold on. So is this model container? Is this a reference site? Because you can't just pass them to different views with different instance. It has to be a reference, right?
The our model
Right.
our model container is a class, is a reference.
But is this the container provided from Apple? Are they reference type?
I'd imagine it should be. Class.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Dude, this is it's kind of weird.
Yep.
Why does the view need to know about the container? Why can, I mean, like, I mean, yes, like view
remove
can
boilerplate, I guess.
make
it easier.
Why can, yeah, why does view need to know about the container? Why can't I just have a reference of the container and then just save it anywhere? You know what I mean? Because like here, it's getting from the environment.
Yep.
And then what is that other function saying that model dot model container? What is that? What does that even do?
This injects the model container into the environment for that view. So the view has an environment, yeah.
Wait, so we're injecting twice?
Well, not 2 times. We're injecting once per view. So like if you get this as the parent view, then we make sure this has a model container. If you get this as the parent view, you make sure this is injected as the model.
Yeah, but what
container.
if the home history screens already injected already?
Well, this is initializing a new one, so nothing else will be injecting it there.
To the environment, there's only one environment for this view. Okay, maybe this view. Like, why do they need? Anyway, okay, let's just continue because I really don't understand why it needs to inject into the view, like into the environment.
Oh yeah, we haven't gotten there yet.
Okay.
Like, so it has this. I don't know what it does with this yet. I'm assuming.
Yeah, that just saves it. Like.
Yeah, that's the whole reason.
Yeah, but why can't we just pass in the singleton? Why does we need?
I think we can just use a singleton.
Okay.
Like this is just a way to generically get it from the environment.
Okay. But the weird part is that if you scroll up, it injects like each view needs to be injected more than one, like one per view. Why shouldn't we inject it like?
It's once per view when it's initialized. Here, so like. So think about it this way: if we only did it once, where would you put it? Here or here? It doesn't matter. Like, let's say we put it here, right? Like, let's say we keep this one. Let's say we remove this one. If anyone ever goes to this route and gets back this record workout screen without the model container, it's gonna fail, because this doesn't have a model container.
Okay.
We've never injected it there.
Okay.
Let's say it the other way. Let's keep this one and remove this one. Same problem. Now anyone who gets this route to get this screen, there won't be a model container.
Okay.
It was never injected.
I guess. Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah. It just needs to be injected once. In the history screen, there is a record workout screen, right? But this is the parent. So when this presents a record workout screen, the parent has this in the environment already. So as a child, it gets the environment from the parent. These don't have a parent-child relationship. These are just two different screens. So if this becomes the parent, then well, it needs the model. If this becomes a parent, this needs the model. They don't automatically share there's not just one environment.
Okay.
I think.
Okay.
That being said, we're putting a lot. Yeah, I think you're right. We're putting a lot of logic. Oh, remember, environment is basically a singleton.
Yeah.
A special singleton that has rules and limitations. But that means all this is doing is...
We basically have two singletons.
Sure.
One way to...
We could get rid of this and use the singleton directly.
Yeah.
That'll still work.
Yeah, well,
but that's not very a Swift UI way to do to do things.
I mean, we can get rid of the other singleton. Like in the module, we just instantiate once and then pass that.
Oh, like, yeah, instead of holding the container here, hold it
in the workout module, right? Which makes sense.
I think so. I think that might work. Because I'm not 100% sure about this.
Mm-hmm.
I have some concerns.
Why is that?
No, maybe this will work actually.
Because it's a reference type. It's a class.
No, it is. My thinking is that in the app, not the way that it is now, but the way it could be done is that it has a list of modules. Let me go there to make it more clear. Our app has Our app has a list of modules, register modules.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, we are initializing it and holding it in the module manager has an instance of each one of the modules.
Mm-hmm.
So that means it would work if we just put one instance here, like that. That would live throughout the lifetime of the app.
Yeah.
And I think that's okay.
What's your concern?
If the design ever changes to where like it doesn't actually. I don't know how this is possible, so maybe it's not a valid concern. If we ever like register something else that's not initialized, so like we know what all the modules are, but they're not initialized yet until they need to be used. So like we just go through the modules, record all the paths and which module it's for, and then get rid of all the instances. Right? Then we only initialize then we only initialize the module when we need it. Kind of making it more efficient memory-wise. Then the instance of the model container might disappear.
Wouldn't that cause the same issue if with the singleton?
I think so. So basically, if it tries to go through the route again, like what I was saying, like if we don't hold on to an instance, it's fine because it will need to initialize the module as soon as it's like being used. So we'll have that instance back again, the model container.
Okay.
Okay. So I think you're right. We don't need, I mean,
it's okay.
We probably should. We don't need this.
Yeah.
We could put the instance here.
Yeah, it's okay. Like just leave it as it is right now because that's what they...
Yeah. I mean, so let's see. Hold on. Oh, geez. Did we go up? I mean, right now the view is kind of saving it to the database. It's actually very minimal. How do we set it to? Is it actually saving in SQL database? I'm not sure.
Wait, what? Oh, put it back down. What's that?
It gives the views the model manager. The model manager, it's like a singleton. That's just how it works. Right. You're gonna go on that. So let's see. The other thing that's weird is the workouts. Oh no. Here. This is a little bit magic, but like check it out. When you say @query, here's
what does
workouts.
a query do?
I think it looks it up in the database.
Okay.
Let's check it out. Swift data. It's like very minimal. A type that fetches models using the specified criteria and manages those models so they remain in sync with the underlying data. Not really. I don't know, man. Here. Okay, Swift Data provides a query macro for querying models, options providing a sort, order, filter. You can provide sort, filter,
predicates.
Yep. Maybe a custom animation to handle changing. Even better, query automatically stays up to date every time your data changes, and will re-invoke your Swift UI view so it stays in sync.
Oh damn, that's a lot of things. Oh wow, that's crazy.
Yep.
Because core data, you don't get
a lot of code.
that. Yeah, you gotta set that up yourself.
Yep. So I guess that's why, like, when you're talking about all that, my concern was like, that's not the way I've seen Swift data work. Like, and this makes a lot more sense. This is why it's so tightly coupled, is because it has these mechanisms to say, hey, view re-render, the data's been changed.
Yeah, we can put that into an interactor and have the view listen to the interactor. Like whenever anything updates, it will re-render the view. So the Swift data interact with the interactor, and the interactor updates the view.
We could. If we're doing that, you drive, because I don't want to do that.
Right now, let's just get it to work, and then we can decide.
Yeah. Let's just get it. Get it to work.
Yeah.
But at least now we kind of understand what's going on.
Yeah.
And we can we can re-architect it later. Okay, I think that's my job, to just make the stuff work. Your job, you clean it up.
Yeah, I'm down.
I like that. Okay.
I'm down.
So we'll add this. We'll add this, okay? Fine with you? Or should we just put a?
No, just follow this. Just make it work. That's the main concern. Well, we can refactor.
But that's a new file. I don't.
Okay.
Can we put the model in the?
No, not
module?
the model. The
container.
Yeah, model container. Yeah. Wait, but I mean, can we just get rid of the singleton?
Yeah, that's what I'm. That's what I'm gonna.
Oh.
That's what I want to do.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Yeah, that's yep. That's what I wanted to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. Thank you, ChatGPT. Okay. Yeah. There we go.
I think you have to import stuff. No. Oh, what just happened? Can I pass any array? What can you pass? Oh, okay. I guess.
It's a very ADIC.
Sugar.
Apparently.
Yeah. They do the dot thing.
Cool. Okay.
That's pretty nice.
There's no member. Oh.
Model.
Wait. Just kind of copy this. History screen. Boom. So we got the querying. We got the saving. I think we got the saving. It's giving me that again. Okay. So, yeah, we're inserting when we save the word. Oh, okay. That's cool. That makes sense. Now we just gotta get it to compile.
Import foundation.
Yep.
Oh, okay, let's change that.
think it's gonna work.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Yes. Oh. I mean, that's this. Let's
Okay,
just try it.
fine. So annoying though. Okay.
Did they
Pull.
probably remove the stack,
Probably.
navigation stack? Is that one more exercise? Push-ups. Lateral raise.
Oh jeez, I just realized I have to type a lot. Whatever. And there's kilograms. That's also not right. Okay. Complete.
Complete. Yes, complete. Check the detail. Okay, perfect.
Nice. Okay,
Back.
so now I'm gonna quit.
Well, I mean, you can
Stop
terminate it and then open it. Click on it.
We're done. Wait, how do you?
Oh my god, that's it, dude! Wow, it's that easy.
It's that easy.
It's that easy.
We got persistence.
Swift data is that easy.
You're getting new ideas, new thoughts. It's gonna make it really hard to separate it completely. Maybe not. I think you're right about adding it to like another thing.
I don't think it's hard to separate it because I don't think it's hard.
Yeah, I think it should be fine. Okay, well, I mean, oh, how can I guess I just do that to cancel. Yeah.
Oh,
what?
Quickly?
Yeah.
Can we add a functionality to delete past workout?
Oh, okay. So like
swipe gesture. Or do you want it to be permanent?
No, I think we should be able to modify.
Yeah.
I want to swipe a workout and be able to delete it.
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be interesting because I'll delete it from the database as well.
Yeah.
Well, it's just model context.delete.
Oh. Ooh.
And then workout has a UUID. So.
Oh. Shit. Okay. Wow.
That's it.
Delete. Oh my god, dude, this is so good. Publish it right now.
Done.
Damn.
There's the workout.
Okay.
So you want to add
now,
more?
let's say we want to persist it in our backend in our like AWS database or something. How do we sync? What's the
Oh, that's gonna be tricky.
Like if you have multiple device and when you edit the same history.
Okay, so I'm gonna think about that high level right now.
Okay.
And then I think ChatGPT also potentially knows how to do that too.
I feel like this is a pretty common problem, right? But it's not like an easy problem.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, let me think. So stuff that it's very similar to stuff that we've done before. Should I actually commit?
Yeah.
Let's make sure we do this checkpoint.
Okay.
Oh, they completely removed the navigation view.
Yeah, what the hell?
Which broke it again.
Can we ask them to add the navigation stack back?
Do we want to? No, I'm just kind of tired about that. I'm just gonna move on.
Okay. Wait, if we don't fix it now, it's gonna be hard for us to figure out like where the navigation
I don't
stack
think it's
is.
gonna be that hard. I think we've seen it so many times.
Okay.
It's like,
All right.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right. So, whoops. Let's see.
What's the last file that you not commit?
Git diff. I need a short key for that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the deletion. I was like, why is it and something? I was like, oh right. To use model.
Committed.
Update history screen to query. Swipe to delete. Update work. Yep. Migrated to Swift data.
Source tree.
Where is it there? Okay. Bloop. Push.
Bloop. And on main.
Done.
Crazy.
Easy. Man, we are iOS developers.
Yeah. I gotta next week we're gonna release the app.
Oh man, make money.
All right. Should we
Sure.
just call it?
Oh, yeah, I'd be down. I mean, I think that's pretty good progress.
Yeah. Now we got the persistent down. Swipe to delete.
Oh right, we were talking about the APIs potentially.
Yeah.
I think we can say that for now.
Yeah. We can. API can be the last thing we can do because we already have data persistence anyway.
Yep, and not everyone wants it to be saved, and then we're gonna have to. Oh, that's gonna complex it a lot because it's like, actually, never mind. It's probably the same amount. I was gonna say like then you're gonna have issues with like pagination and like syncing issues.
Yeah.
But it would be interesting to think about the.
Yeah, I feel like that's a interview question.
Probably, dude. This is just for one module.
Yeah.
I mean,
And
to
we
be
did
fair,
it for what, two, like we have most of the features done
yeah,
in like 2 days.
yeah,
Not even 2 days, like what, 3 hours, 3-4 hours?
yeah. I think
3
so.
hours.
It's like not even 3 hours. I don't think. But to be fair, this module is basically people turn this into apps to an app.
Yeah.
And we're putting it all into one tab into our in our overall app, which
so I'm very surprised with this Swift data. You know, like core data, you have to add this entitlement.
Yep.
Was it called entitlement?
yeah,
File.
I think so. Yeah.
Like that's kind of annoying to do. There's like so much stuff like you have to set up for core data. Swift data is you literally just put a tag on the model and the model container, have a reference to the model container, and just click save, insert, and delete.
Yeah. It's a little bit magical.
Yeah. All right.
Dang, it's just like that's all we added.
Yeah.
And then the add model, and then you just say model container dot insert or dot delete.
Yeah.
And then of course the at query.
That's pretty magical.
Not bad. All right, should we call it?
Yeah. I guess that's it for today.
Yep.